Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got this really simple set of autumn nails to show you. So all the nails have already been prepped and primed, excuse me, tips applied, clear base and everything gone down. So today I'm using the CJP acrylic system. So on the pinky finger here I'm coming in with Hot Ember and we are going to do an ombre on this one. This video has literally been sat on my phone for about 2 weeks, so I just hope I can remember what I did. So I'm sure on this nail it is marble, maybe? Yeah, so the colours I'm using here are Cola Cubes, Peach Sorbet and the Hot Ember. So I just come in with little beads and just swirl them up and down on that nail just to make the marble effect. I always do my marbles different ways depending on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll swirl them round, sometimes I'll put one colour down and then another colour, and then there's other times where I'll just put all the colours down together and then just sort of swirl them about. I suppose it just depends how I'm feeling. So here on the middle finger I am putting down Cola Cubes at the tip, and this is going to be another ombre nail. So on the pointer finger I'm just coming in again with Cola Cubes, and this is going to be another ombre nail. So just come in with however many beads it takes for me to get the colour how I want it. Don't know what that was. Looks like a bit glitter. So annoying. I'm sorry if you hear one of my dogs like heavy breathing. She's lying right next to me on the sofa. That's why I was able to get this video done, because they both fell asleep. Oh. So on the thumb here we're just going to do, I think this is another ombre with the Hot Ember at the tip. So again, just building up that colour with my beads. Yeah, as I say, I've had this video on my phone for about 2 weeks. I just have not had the chance to get it done, and I can't do it when the dogs are awake. They make far too much noise. So thankfully they've both fell asleep just now. I've just finished work, so I've got tired puppies. So here I'm coming in with that Hot Ember and doing an ombre. It looks okay here, but then after I was finished you couldn't really tell that it was an ombre. I think the colours that I used here were just too similar. Obviously if you were like really staring at them you could tell, but... And then I just pop on that Cola Cubes at the tip and blend that back again, just to try and make the ombre a little more sort of seamless, I suppose. So the ombre on this one I'm sure is with the Peach Sorbet. Yeah. So I'll just let you watch this. So the pinky finger is going to be an ombre with the glitter. Now I'm sure this is a CJP one as well, and I am pretty sure it's called Fairy Tale, but I'll double check and I'll pop it in the description box below. It's one of the pre-mixed glitter acrylics. Excuse me. So I'm just going to pop on some of that glitter in the marble as well, and on the thumb too. Just pop that on, tap it around the cuticle, try and get it nice and neat, and then just fade that down the nail. So now I've filed and shaped these nails off camera, obviously capped them first, and now I am just coming in with the top coat. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I do have another one recorded on my phone. It's been edited, I just need to voice over it, so hopefully I'll get that up through the week, and I'll see you then, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.